Hello, welcome to my NYC apartment. So this is a 1-bed, 1-bath apartment in New York City, and I'm gonna show you guys around. So starting off with the entryway, we have this sideboard. This is from Castlery, and I really love it. We keep a lot of the shoes in here, and it's really nice because it just kind of tucks everything away. We have a candle, lamp, and a diffuser here. I really love everything that just kind of like smells good. So you're gonna see that all over the apartment. I keep also all of my perfumes and everything over here, and I have this cute little tray for our keys. Moving on to this little section, just like having fresh flowers in the house, and I just did these arrangements yesterday, and you're gonna kind of see that all over the apartment. This is a little portrait that we have of me, my boyfriend, and Kobe. Do have a closet over here, which is really nice because we keep our outerwear in here. And there's a little basket for Kobe's jackets and his wipes, because this is usually where we wipe his paws before he comes into the house. This is really random. We have this little like keys holder. It's just really cute. When you put your keys on it, a little cat pops up. Let's move on to the living room. I love this living space. It's probably my favorite part of the apartment because it just feels very open and it gets a lot of really great lighting in here. I have my little bookshelf. I'm still collecting books, but this is my little collection so far. I really love reading mystery and thrillers, so I have a lot of those. I love having this little bookshelf. I've always wanted a bookshelf in my apartment, and I finally got one for this place. On the bookshelf, we have some random things. I have some of my film cameras and my film rolls, just a little decor that we got throughout the months of moving here. There are quite a lot of plants in this apartment because I just love having them, and it really brightens up the space. This is probably the biggest one, and we just got it recently, and I love her. Over here we have the only desk in the apartment. Samson and I kind of just share it. On top, we decided to put a few shelves just to fill up this empty space. I have my vlogging cameras on there and just like some books. I think it just makes a nice little decor as well as being functional. This is a basket of Kobe's toys. At night, he really loves to play, so he just picks his favorite one and then just leaves everything else all around the apartment. Moving on to the rest of the living space. Obviously, we have this big couch. This couch is the West Elm Harmony couch, and it's honestly one of my dream couches because it's so big and it's comfortable. It's just great for the three of us. I love the color of the couch. I think it's like a great neutral color. And we just like to throw on, you know, some colorful blankets to brighten up the place a little bit. And then over the couch, we recently got this print from the Met, and I just think it's really nice. When I was designing this apartment, I really wanted like these earthy tones, and I feel like this kind of brings out the green of the plants. I wanted to find like another painting or another print to put next to it, but we haven't found anything yet, but we are still searching for that. Kobe likes to spend a lot of time on the couch and on the rug as well. The rug is actually from Lulu and Georgia. I love it. It's like a nice neutral color. At the same time, there's like a little bit of texture to it. And then for the coffee table, this we actually had for a long time. It's just a really good size, a nice little round coffee table. This coffee table is from Article, and on top, another little arrangement I did yesterday. And we just have some candles and coasters on here as well. course, we have our TV here. The TV console is also from Lulu in Georgia. I love it. I've been loving like wooden furniture. I think it just kind of fits perfectly. It's got a lot of compartments down here for storage, which is really nice because we can kind of just like put things away without it showing. You guys have probably seen me take a lot of like selfies and like outfit photos here, but this is the big mirror that I've had for a while. It's from CB2. I love it, and it's just a nice full-length mirror. One thing that really drew me to this apartment was the ceilings. I love like the panels that it has, as well as like the light wooden floors. That was one of the things that like I was really looking for, and it's something like common, but I feel like it was really hard to find in New York City. And then we have the windowsill. I really love it. I just decorated it with some candles and some plants because this part of the apartment gets a lot of light, and I think the plants just kind of thrive in it. This is also the area that I film a lot of outfit videos. Right now we have Kobe's bed number 1. He has another one in the bedroom, but usually he likes to just chill here while we're watching TV. This is my little candle station. I have 5 candles here, 6 candles here. I don't know why, but I just love like good smelling things. At night, I just like to burn these candles. We also have this chair here, which originally I wanted to be like my little reading nook, but Kobe has taken over this. He likes to go on this and look outside and just like sunbathe, so he sleeps here a lot of the time too. This is probably one of my favorite things that we got in the apartment. It's this light pendant from Design Within Reach, and I just think it really elevates the space and makes it feel a little homier and just have a little bit more character. Now, before we move on to the kitchen, we have this little corner shelf. I just keep some beauty products, skincare, and just like random knickknacks here. Some more perfumes on top, and obviously a furbo so we can watch our dog when we're away. On to this side of the apartment. This is one of my favorite little areas of the apartment as well. I just think it just feels so cozy and homey. We have our coffee nook over here with our Nespresso pods, and then we recently installed these shelves. I just have my mugs on there and just like some plants, and it just makes this space feel so much nicer. If you guys ever apartment hunted in New York, you know a lot of like the kitchens, just apartments in general, don't have a lot of storage, and our kitchen is kind of small, so there wasn't a lot of cabinet space. So that's why we got this pantry. I actually really like it. We keep our bowls in it and more of our cups and just like snacks and everything, and it just kind of tucks everything away. I love how this apartment actually has like a little dining area. It's not very big, but I still think it's pretty useful because we're able to put this little round table as well as 2 dining chairs. On top, I just put another little flower arrangement, which I think looks really nice. I got a flower frog, and it just makes my flower arrangements look a lot more elevated. And this is probably really random, but I have this print over here. It's of a little cat on the moon or something. I found it at Urban, and I just have like this weird thing about like funky prints, and I just thought this was so cute. We have some more plants and some more candles over here. One of my favorite things about this apartment is like how much light I get, and like it's really nice to just kind of eat my breakfast and look outside, just kind of people watch. And then moving on to the kitchen. This is a pretty small kitchen, but honestly it works really well because we installed this wooden ledge. We're able to put our water heater and our toaster, and just like when we're cooking, our plates over here as well. This is really the only like counter space that we have. And then over here we have our electric stove and our microwave and some storage for the kitchen. You guys probably seen these pots in my videos, and I really love them. They are from our place. I think they're just like really cute and functional. We have also these prints over here. This one I got from a vendor on Bleecker Street, and I just really love the colors. This one is a New Yorker print that we got from the Bryant Park holiday market. Still considering if I should get frames for them, but I kind of like how it looks on its own too. I think that is all for the kitchen, the living space. Let's move on to the bathroom. So the bathroom's over here, but before that we do have another closet here. And one of my favorite things about this apartment is how they kept the original handles of the doors, and I just think it adds a little bit more character to the whole place. this is the bathroom. It is so hard to find a bathroom in New York City with a nice big window. So I really cherish that, and I just think it adds so much light to the bathroom. The building also did keep a lot of the older hardware in the bathroom, which I liked as well. I think it really feels very New Yorky in here. I added a lot of plants to bring more life to the place. We also did add some shelves in the bathroom, which honestly is really nice because it adds a little bit of wood to the bathroom as well as storage, obviously. And above the sink, we do have a vanity, which is really nice. This is my skincare stash. I love skincare, so I spend a lot of time here. Okay, so finally, we have the bedroom. Before that, we have this storage cabinet. It's actually really nice because I keep a lot of like my bags in here. Here's a little sneak peek. On top, I have this candle warmer that I got on Amazon, and it's really cool. Instead of burning your candles, it just heats it up and you still get the fragrance, but it lasts a lot longer that way. And then I do have a few more perfumes here because I'm obsessed with perfumes, and more baskets, and this one is of all my Baggu pouches. I originally wanted to get a record player for this space because I feel like it would look really nice, but I haven't really found the right one yet, so I'm still looking, but I think that would be really cool for this little space. And then we are really lucky to have this washer and dryer in our unit, and it's been amazing to just be able to wash and dry your clothes at home. And then finally we have the bedroom. I love this bedroom because you get a double exposure. So we have a west exposure and then a south exposure, so it gets amazing light in here. I have a clothing rack here, which I usually use this clothing rack to film, and I like to just kind of keep newer clothes here, so I have like outfit ideas. We have another closet. This is my main closet. It's not that messy actually. I just recently cleaned it, but all the closets in here are a little bit smaller, but I am pretty fortunate to be able to have 4 closets in this apartment because usually New York City apartments have like 1 or 2. Over here, I have my little corner shelf. I keep some jewelry here and just like little knickknacks. I have another mushroom lamp. I love my mushroom lamps. This is the second one that you're gonna see. And then we have Kobe's bed number 2. This is usually where he sleeps at night. We added some sheer curtains to still be able to have the light come in, but obviously for some privacy. And these curtains are from Amazon, and I actually really love them. Obviously, we have the bed here. I recently changed these sheets and they feel very pastel in spring. We also did install another shelf on here. I found this little nightstand. This is from West Elm, and it honestly fits in this little corner so perfectly. This is the 3rd and final mushroom lamp. I have my pillow mist, sleeping mist. These are just like all the things I need before I sleep. And then just some extra storage for clothes here. Got these nice big drawers, some makeup pouches, my AirPods, and some makeup over here. And then I also just have like jewelry that I wear pretty often. These we actually made ourselves when we did ceramics, so it's pretty cool to store my jewelry in here. Over here we have my hair clip basket. Love hair clips, so kind of try to keep it organized in here. So that is basically everything that I wanted to show you guys about this apartment. This is my NYC apartment tour, and I really love this place. I think it's one of my favorite apartments that I've seen when we were apartment hunting, and everything about it is just like kind of my dream apartment, honestly. I just really love the space, how airy it feels, and how homey it feels. I also feel like this apartment has a lot of character. This apartment is honestly really great. The only thing is it is a little bit small for 2 people, especially when we are both always here and working from home. For reference, this place is around 780 square feet. I do feel like there's a little bit of wasted space here and there, which is why it does feel a little smaller sometimes, but overall I really love it. Honestly, really grateful to have found this apartment. It's one of my dream apartments. We've just been so happy living here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this NYC apartment tour. Let me know if you guys have any questions on where anything is from. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.